Ever wondered about the mysterious P0841 transmission fluid pressure sensor? What role does it play in your vehicle's performance? Let's delve into the mystery of this crucial component. The P0841, often seen in the form of a trouble code, typically signals an electrical circuit issue related to the transmission fluid pressure sensor, also known as TFPS. This sensor has the crucial role of converting mechanical transmission pressures into an electrical signal. This signal is then sent to the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, or the Transmission Control Module, TCM. When the voltage signal from the TFPS does not align with the expected values stored in the PCM or TCM's memory, the P0841 code is triggered, alerting you to a potential issue. But why is the TFPS so important? It's simple. By converting mechanical pressures into an electrical signal, the TFPS allows the PCM or TCM to monitor and control the transmission's hydraulic pressure accurately. This control is crucial for the smooth and efficient operation of your vehicle's transmission. Now, where can you find this essential device? The TFPS is typically located on the side of the valve body inside the transmission. However, in some cases it might be located on the side of the transmission case or body itself. The seriousness of a P0841 code can vary depending on the symptoms experienced. Some common symptoms are: first, an illuminated check engine light. The illuminated check engine light indicates the presence of a trouble code. Second, changes in shift quality. Transmission shifts may become rough or inconsistent. Third, the vehicle starting off in second or third gear, known as limp mode, to prevent further damage. Troubleshooting a P0841 code can involve: first, check for an open circuit or loose wiring in the TFPS sensor circuit. Second, investigating for a short circuit in the signal circuit to the TFPS sensor. Third, test the TPFS sensor, replace if TFPS sensor failed. Fourth, inspect for any internal mechanical transmission issues, such as abnormal sounds or vibrations. Fifth, in rare cases a failed PCM might be the culprit, though resetting or reprogramming the PCM can often resolve this issue. In essence, the P0841 transmission fluid pressure sensor is a small but mighty component, playing a pivotal role in the smooth operation of your vehicle's transmission. This code is a call to action, alerting you to potential issues that, if addressed promptly, can prevent more significant problems down the line. Keep this knowledge in your back pocket, and your vehicle will thank you.